Good evening, students. What do you see in front of you? It's a shape like an orange, but it is not orange. Then what is this? Can you tell me? It is a planet. And its name? Yes, its name Earth. We live on Earth. We know very well that we all live on Earth. So can you tell me where we live on Earth? So for this we will know what is there on Earth. So there are many countries on the Earth, and one of them is our country in which we live, and its name is India. Do you know? So first of all we will know about country. What is country? So do you want to know about country? Country means desh. So listen students, every country has different rules and its own different lifestyle. So like in our country rules different from others. Same other countries have its own people and its own rules. So countries have many cities, towns and villages. Villages means gaon. Towns means kasbe ya nagar. And the city means shahar. Like our country's lifestyle is different from others. In our country, the lifestyle of people is different from others. Like girls wear burqa in Pakistan, same as every country has different lifestyle and different rules. So do you know in which country do you live? Yes, our country name is India. We live in India. So every country has a capital city. Capital city means the most important city in a country. So do you know what is the capital of our India? Yes, New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India. So students, I hope now you know very well what is country. Let's revise once again. A country is a place with its own people and its own rules. Thanks.